Okay.
Tablespoon of brown sugar.
1 tablespoon brown sugar.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
And then I'm going to mix that up.
Now we need the shortening.
Yes. So I just need a big spoon.
Get the shortening is cold in the fridge. Yes, a very cold shortening. Uh-oh. That's the shortening.
That's the shortening.
And you need
And then butter.
a thing of butter. So they're both cold. Half a cup of shortening, as long as we cut it from the right end.
That's it. Half a cup right there.
Okay, so everything that's left there.
Yeah.
I said cut in cubes.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Cut it small, so that way when I go to...
When you go to mix it.
Oh, and that's half a cup of butter.
Okay,
Perfect.
that makes it easier to stir.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the shortening.
Shortening.
Next is the butter.
You cut.
And salt. And butter.
Okay, I guess when cut it in cube as well. Now they use ice water to bring the dough together. You gonna bother with that?
Oh yeah, out of the fridge. That's as long as it's cold, and that's really cold coming out of the fridge.
It is cold coming out of there, yeah.
So I have to mix all this up first.
Okay.
Okay, so that might have to work on this for a little bit. Yeah, I have to mix it good with a fork.
Break everything up small.
Yeah, normally the butter would be a little softer. It'd be like the consistency of the shortening when you're doing it this way. So that's good. So, and then what you do, you mix it all up to get it like pea-like consistency. Okay.
All right. We're gonna put it into the
food
processor to mix it all up. The butter's so hard. And there's a pulse button right there.
That's much better.
Yeah, it makes it go a lot easier.
Okay, I think that's good.
You think that's it? Well, that didn't take long.
No, that's
Turn. There's a hook.
perfect.
Okay, so that's it.
Yep.
So how can you tell that consistency?
It's kind of like a pea, you know, like it's all blended in.
Okay.
So like cornmeal, I'll say.
Okay.
Okay, so now there we go.
Yep. Blade comes out.
Back in there.
All right.
Much better.
Perfect. That comes faster. Off to the side with the plug.
Now that I got the crust all worked good. Pretty good there.
All right.
Yeah.
6 tablespoons of ice water.
Sometimes you need a little more than that. You know what they say. You go by the
Just want to mix.
consistency.
Okay. So then it's more like a crust.
Looking good.
Okay, so it's starting to come together.
Yeah.
Gets a little stickier.
Once it holds, then you know it'll roll good.
Okay. Just make it into balls.
Yep. I'll put it in the fridge
Oh,
to cool for, they say half an hour, but I'm not going to put it in for half an hour.
okay.
Okay.
Kind of a mixture.
So I need one.
Okay. Put that in the fridge.
That's in the fridge. Yep.
Second one. It's our crust. Now we're gonna make the filling. Some of the goodies over here, some raisins, corn syrup, vanilla, brown sugar, fillings, brown sugar, corn syrup, yep. 1/4 cup of butter, melted egg. So I gotta get an egg, vanilla, salt, and then some raisins. 4 tablespoons, 1/4 cup. So we're gonna take half of that and melt it. We'll get the butter, we'll stick that in the microwave for a couple seconds. Butter's melted. Alright, so we got our butter melted. And then we have, this was 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we have another 1/2 cup of corn syrup. Now we should have some vanilla.
1/4 cup of butter, 1 egg.
1/4 cup of butter, is there 1 egg?
Okay.
We got our vanilla.
So we have 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar, 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup of corn syrup.
1/2 cup of corn syrup.
1/4 cup of melted butter.
1/4 cup of melted butter.
1 egg.
1 egg.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay.
So
So we get everything there. We're gonna mix in
Sugar,
butter,
butter,
egg,
okay, and then corn
corn
syrup.
syrup. We need our there.
Corn syrup.
Vanilla. Is there numbers on it?
And vanilla.
Alright, and then the salt.
And it's a 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
1/4 teaspoon. Alright. It's just a mix. Okay, let's look at the consistency.
Okay, now I'm going to get all this out of the way.
All right.
Away and do a
Clean up.
pastry.
Alright, so we're down to raisins. Now you're going to roll out the pastry. Got a little bit of flour on the counter, on the floor, and everywhere.
4, that's about 4.
Yeah. Okay.
That'll do it.
So we use the cup to cut out the size.
Cut out once I roll it all, yeah.
Alright, so we have our... It won't have to be really thin, because they're usually a little thicker, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think marble.
This is the part where people would have a problem, is the rolling of the dough.
Yeah. You can't work it too much, you mean?
No, to get it to stay.
Okay.
But it's so heavy, it definitely rolls it.
To roll it, yeah. 425, okay. So I got it on bake 425 with the...
Put it in the...
Okay, it's a good size.
Yeah.
There's the cup to get the right measurement.
4 inches.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's perfect. Now we can put the guts inside of it.
Okay, so let's put that water in, just so they don't burn. Oh.
Now the insides.
Now,
Ooh,
mix that
boy,
up
that's
again.
yeah, that's sticking.
That's good.
Yeah.
And you put 2/3 of a cup in each one.
Or do we want to just fill them
I just need
until we use it all?
2/3 of a cup. Okay, raisins going first.
Okay. So we can break up some of those raisins.
You don't put a whole lot in, just kind of take them apart, right, and put a few in the bottom. Depends on how many you like.
I like raisins.
Okay, so we'll put them in there then.
It's up to temperature now.
Perfect.
So let me open it.
The oven. And we'll put them on the bottom rack
Okay.
for 15 to 20 minutes. Two.
Start to cook.
Three.
All right.
Okay.
It's now 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Yeah.
We've got 7.5 minutes left. You can see in there, maybe. You can see things are cooking along.
Now that looks cooked. The crust looks
Yeah,
cooked.
crust is cooked. That looks good.
Okay, well, we'll see how the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look at the brown of the crust. That looks good.
Yeah, I shut the oven off because that'll settle down.
Clear. Turn the timer off. Okay, so we're good there.
That one we
yeah,
put
that
a little
one
bit in. And
Yeah, a little much, but oh yeah, look how nice those ones look. Here we go. So they're okay. That one didn't. None of them are sticking.
no, they're good. Just the ones where they come out over a little bit.
Okay, so they come right out.
So there you go. You can take that one.
Wow, they look good. Yeah, nice and crispy. Oh, they look good. They look better than the store-bought ones for sure.